how to set private DNS on iPhone. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Then we go down and tap on Wi-Fi. In here, tap on the information icon. Then scroll down and tap on DNS, configure DNS. Select menu. Then here I'm going to delete the existing one and tap on add server. Here put in your private DNS. For example, the Google DNS is 8.8.8.8, and then we can add in a backup server. So tap on add server and we add in a secondary server 8.8.4.4. Then tap on saved, and that's it. So we have now manually configured a private DNS on the iPhone. Thank you for watching.